welcome to another edition of Ask Away Wednesday, where we answer your top questions around data governance and data security and how they pertain to ALTR. This question is a follow-on from a previous question that we had around which different types of databases does ALTR support. And Chris, in that answer, I discussed the different integration methods and the different databases and the different use case types that are associated with that. And I think some folks were wondering, does that mean that they have different instances of ALTR, for example, per use case? So the question to you is, how have we architected the solution such that I could have OLTP workloads running on-prem using maybe ALTR's database drivers, but also still have ALTR running policy for me and doing governance and security in something like Snowflake, for example, which is SaaS hosted?
Yep, absolutely. So as most of our audience knows, and if not, maybe this is a new piece of fact, ALTR is a multi-tenant SaaS platform. We deliver all of our features through one instance of our environment. It's multi-tenant. It took a lot of work. That was an architecture choice that we made very early on. But we use that choice to provide this exact type of value. And the value is you get to control all of that data access regardless of deployment type, like you mentioned, James, through a single pane of glass, through one login, or if you choose, we have a management API where you can edit your policies programmatically through one API key. And what that allows for you to have is for you to have a wide ecosystem of databases, database types, use cases, but every single thing, every single policy that you create comes down to one dashboard, one click and point interface. And also it's not just the data itself, it's the data types, right? So you define your data types and you define the risk level is what we see very often. And you just click two buttons and say, if I want this role to be able to access the data, hit OK. That policy is instantly propagated to whatever is talking to that instance of ALTR. To add to the flexibility, we do have the ability to give you multiple tenants in the ALTR platform if you want. So what we've seen is different, lines of business and multinational companies or business units. They all have their own kind of business goals, their own business objectives, or maybe they have their own security or governance teams. We have the ability to provide for that, but ultimately, if you want it, we'll give you that one single pane of glass.
You're right. It's an architectural decision that we made years ago, and I'm just remembering back to the first couple of years where we delivered via SaaS, and everybody said that we were wrong, and now we're winning awards for this exact same architecture. So it's a bet that we made that's paid off. I can already hear the naysayers in the comments and out there in the Twitter sphere saying single pane of glass, that's false. People have been saying that, for years. Vendor been trying that for years. And my response is, you're right, they have been, and maybe we got there. So don't take my word for it or Chris's word for it. Our platform is free. You can go try it for yourself and form your own opinion. And so if you want to do that, just either go to the website or you can get it from stuff like Partner Connect as one example. So thank you for the question. Thank you for the follow-on question. And we'll be here next week. If you have any other ideas for questions, please drop them below. And thank you very much.